Discord is giving out 1,400 orbs. Yes, I'm not joking. But just a quick notice. If you do not want to miss out on free Discord Nitro and Orbs news, then make sure to subscribe now. We need to cross around 12,700 subscribers this week anyhow. With YouTube's audio track feature, you can watch my videos in several languages if you don't understand English, like Arabic,
طلبت من موظفي الخادم
Japanese,
كناری難しい質問をしてきましたが
Hindi.
आपके लिए एक बढ़िया अतिरिक्त हो सकता है.
There are many other languages in the list too. Back to the topic. Discord has released 2 new quests. The first is from Opera GX. It will expire on March 6th. This is only for PC Discord. You need to download Discord app here and Opera GX browser. After that, accept the quest in your Discord app and just run Opera GX in your background for 10 minutes. You don't need to use the browser, just run it in background. There we have it, we have 700 orbs. The second is from the Mummy movie. You require to enable US location in your VPN and refresh your Discord page. It's just a few minutes watch. Before claiming your orbs, please disable your VPN and then claim it. Otherwise, you will need to solve the annoying CAPTCHA puzzle. In total, these quests are giving out 1,400 orbs. 3 days Nitro costs 1,400 orbs, so this much orbs will get you 3 days free Nitro. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.